Okay, so here's a review of the 5-part powerful paraphrase. The template is pretty simple. It's just so, you feel blank about blank because blank. That's the template, really easy. I'll review the first part and the last part first. The first part is so, and that's just an example of what you might say to begin the paraphrase. What you're trying to do there is avoid it sounding like an accusatory statement. You feel blank about blank because blank. That's not what you want. You want to open it up with something like so, or it sounds like, it seems like, what I'm hearing is, could it be that? And that leads to the last part actually already, which is you frame the whole thing as a question. So, you feel blank about blank because blank? And you can even add, oh, so you feel blank about blank because blank, is that right? Did I get that right? Do you agree with that? And force it to be a statement that the speaker responds to. And what you'll find is that people correct themselves or start sharing more or get clarity on their own for what it is that they're feeling about the thing and why. And those are the blanks in the middle. You feel blank, that's obviously the first blank is for emotions. About blank, that's the situation, the facts, the scenario. What is the conditions? And then the last blank is because. And what you want to offer there is why you think that person feels that way about those facts. So, you feel blank about blank because blank? Is that right? That completes the whole paraphrase. And you have empathetic feelings in there, you have the informational listening for that second blank, and then you have the critical listening. Try it out. That's the 5-part powerful paraphrase.